30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds.
All right, so here we have inventory question, and what they're asking us is pretty much what is the company's inventory, year-end inventory. So the way to determine these type of questions is you have to first of all know how to calculate the ceiling and also know how to calculate the floor. So they tell us that we had an estimated selling price of 408 for the inventory. So this is why we use the 408 here. 408. And then we had an estimated cost of disposal of 20K. So selling price minus the cost of disposal equals the NRV, which is 388. That's our ceiling, okay? Now they tell us we need to figure out for the floor. So they tell us that we had a normal profit margin of 60,000. This is what we do. We subtract that 60K from the NRV, and then that leaves us with a 328 floor. Okay, so we have 328 floor, and we have a 388 ceiling. So the last detail we need to take in consideration is the replacement cost, which is 390. So if our replacement cost is 390, that means it's above the ceiling. And when the replacement cost is above the ceiling, we use the ceiling as our cost. So 388 is the answer, and that's how you solve a year-end inventory question when it's asking you about what is the cost of the inventory.
30 seconds and counting. Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds.